Imagine an animal capable of regenerating, a creature that seems to have come straight out of a fantasy story but is completely real. Welcome to the fascinating world of salamanders. These incredible creatures are known not only for their exotic appearance but also for their extraordinary abilities, which even challenge scientists. In today's video, we're going to explore everything about the salamander, from its unique characteristics to its most surprising secrets. Did you know that some salamanders can regenerate lost body parts? That's right, losing a leg or even part of the heart is not a problem for them. Stay with us to discover how this is possible, and why the salamander might be the key to impressive medical advances. Salamanders have existed for millions of years. They share ancestors with the first amphibians that left the water to explore dry land, at a time when dinosaurs didn't even exist. It's amazing to think that these creatures, which we see today in forests and streams, are survivors of an evolutionary lineage that witnessed the rise and extinction of so many other forms of life. How did they manage to adapt so well? Let's find out. With elongated bodies and moist skin, salamanders look like small versions of dragons. They come in various colors and patterns. Some have vibrant shades of orange and yellow, while others are discreetly brown and green, perfectly camouflaging in their environment. But what many don't know is that their colors also serve as a warning. Some salamanders produce potent toxins to defend themselves from predators. And what if I told you that this slimy skin is much more than just a defense against predators? It is also essential for the salamander's respiration. Sounds strange? Keep watching to understand how this incredibly adapted process works. Unlike many animals, salamanders don't rely solely on their lungs to breathe. In fact, some species don't even have lungs. They breathe through their skin and the lining of their mouth, absorbing oxygen directly from the environment. This unique ability allows them to live in areas where other animals could not survive, such as cold streams and dark caves. But how do these creatures manage to survive in such inhospitable places? There is a secret hidden in their feeding habits that gives them a unique advantage. Let's find out what it is. Salamanders are patient hunters. They feed on insects, small crustaceans, and even other amphibians. With their fast and sticky tongues, they catch their prey with incredible precision. Some species are ambush specialists, staying still until an unsuspecting insect passes by. And when it comes to cave survival, some salamanders have developed surprising abilities, like the ability to live for long periods without eating. Now, you must be wondering, how do salamanders manage to regenerate lost body parts? What exactly happens inside them when a limb regenerates? This is the most impressive part of our journey. The regenerative ability of salamanders is something that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. If they lose a leg, a tail, or even parts of internal organs, they can recreate everything, cell by cell. This happens because their cells can dedifferentiate, meaning they revert to a state similar to stem cells, which then transform into any other type of cell needed for regeneration. Scientists are closely studying salamanders, believing that one day we may apply this knowledge to human medicine to regenerate damaged tissues and organs. And don't think that salamanders are just solitary creatures. Some species have intriguing social behaviors and even take care of their eggs in unique ways. Let's take a closer look at this. The reproduction of salamanders is also full of surprises. Some species lay their eggs in water, while others choose moist places on land. And unlike what many think about amphibians, some salamanders take care of their eggs until the hatchlings are ready to face the world. This parental care, though not very common among amphibians, shows how varied and adaptable salamanders can be. Unfortunately, like many other animals, salamanders are facing serious threats. The destruction of their habitats, the pollution of rivers and lakes, and diseases like chytridiomycosis have put several species at risk of extinction. Protecting salamanders also means protecting the balance of the ecosystems where they live. Each one plays a crucial role, controlling insect populations and helping maintain a healthy environment. Salamanders are truly fascinating creatures that combine beauty, mystery, and surprising abilities. We hope you have been as captivated as we were by discovering more about these little dragons of nature. If you liked the video, leave your like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until the next adventure in the world of animals.